Welcome to Vista Training. All of our Jurnee instructor kits are designed to help you easily implement structured, professional equipment operator training. It's easy to download your Jurnee instructor kit so you can plan your training and print what you need. Once you purchase a Jurnee instructor kit, you can access our LMS learning management system where everything for the kit is stored. This is where you're able to access the projectable Vista course presentation to train your students. Optionally, you can use the Vista course presentation in self-study mode before a classroom session. You can also access projectable copies of key instructor kit materials for use during a classroom session. Finally, you can download and print all the training materials, including checklists, evaluation forms, and much more. To get started and give you everything you need to begin instructing your equipment operators, start by clicking the Download Instructor Materials link. A new pop-up will appear that will show you everything available to download. Once again, click here to download the materials. Once you click the Download Materials button, you will see a small file appear at the bottom of your computer screen. You will need to click the file to open up and see all of the materials downloaded. If that does not appear, you will need to go to the download folder on your computer and open up the file from there. Once you open the folder, you will see all of the materials you have downloaded. From this point, you are able to open them to view on your computer or print as needed for your course. Don't forget that you also have materials for your students to use during your training program. If you go back to the earlier screen and download the student materials the same way that you downloaded the instructor materials, you will be able to view or print those materials as well. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to contact us at Vista Training Inc. Remember, training is not a destination, it's a journey.